What is happening right now? Some big ass green candles. Oh.
Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, my people. Good morning, my people. Good morning, my people. What's up, David? Hello, Marius. Hello, hello, legends. Tiri Piri, Naz, Daddy. Bills, what's up, buddy? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's put some music on. Let's put some fucking tunes on. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Oh, beautiful stuff. Hello, guys. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Do you want me to mute? Do you want me to mute myself in the Discord chat? How does it work?
Ooh.
Or I keep.
I don't know.
Keep it the same.
I've muted your stream on TikTok, so.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Marius. Good morning, Levels. Brent, what's up? What's up? What's up? Summer haze. Summer haze. Boom, 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 boom. Ibiza cocktail list. KB, thank you for the likes. There we go. Boom. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the market. Boom, boom, boom. Welcome, welcome. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. Let's get at least a couple thousand before we get started. Spam that screen. Tap that screen, legends. Tap that screen. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Man, feeling blessed, man. Feeling blessed. Another beautiful day, another week, another opportunity, another month. Feeling grateful. Bro, any trade? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet any trade. Price action. I was hoping to get a short into gold. But we might still get that. We might still get that. We're gonna have a look now at what we see. Harrison, what's up, G? What's up, brother? I just wanna, you guys, put yourself, it's a new day, new opportunities, new week, new month. Let's put ourselves in that abundance mindset. Let's open up our mind to receive blessings from the universe. All right, let's all say thank you for the life that we're living. Thank you for waking up another beautiful day. Thank you for our health. Thank you for the money that we're making. Thank you for the money that the market is giving to us. Right? Thank you for our family. Thank you for our friends. Thank you for everything around us. Let's all just appreciate moments. Let's all come together and let's appreciate life for a second and just breathe. Just take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Say just thank you. Thank you. Let's open up our mind to receive blessings this week. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you for everyone in this live stream. Okay? Let's open up and let's be appreciative. Okay? Everything always comes whenever we are grateful. Alex, thank you for the follow, brother. Lots of love, people. Lots of love. Lots of love. Let's go. We have now put ourselves into that flow state, right? Good things are coming. I can feel the tingles. I can feel the energy flowing through my blood and through my veins. Let's see how this week's gonna go. Kevin, thank you for the follow, brother. I appreciate it. Market ain't good, guy to me. Yeah, market, we'll see. Okay, so Corbs, Joby, thank you for the follow, big dog. I appreciate it. This is gold, yes. So last night, guys, we opened up, huge gap up, right? We had a huge gap up all the way up to the sell zone that we marked in the live stream, and we ended up selling off now. And let's see, right now we are currently trading within this buy zone, but let's just delete some stuff and see if we can potentially find some new zones. Alright, so we don't really need to have this sell zone anymore. up here because we've already tapped into it. But I guess, for example, we don't really need to delete it as of yet, just now. We just swept Asian lows, okay? We just swept Asiano lows. We filled this gap that we made last night. We do have this buy zone down below, which would have been nice if price traded into. But it does look like we are currently reacting off Asian lows to then come to the upside. Okay, so potentially we could be looking for something here. Once you tap into the zone, do you never trade from it? It's almost like it acts almost like a fair value gap. So the moment a zone gets tapped, it's not as powerful anymore, right? Because it's already got it's not invalid, right? Because it hasn't got closed above. The only times that it gets invalid, right, the same as a fair value gap, is if it gets closed above. But if it just gets tapped, it's not as powerful anymore. So ideally, yes, we can trade again if we come into it, but it's not a high probability and good trade to take like it was before. Nasdaq, what do we do? On Nasdaq, we haven't tapped into our sell zone above at 2611. I would love to see price trade into that, to be honest with you. We are currently trading within a 1 hour bullish fair value gap, also a 4 hour bullish gap. If this now gets inversed, then we would expect Nasdaq to come down lower. And we've got this beautiful buy zone down here at 28,200. So that would be the next area that I would be looking for some potential trades. But I would honestly love for us to come up, right? Come up and then take out and tap into the sell zone, right? Take out the previous daily high, take out the previous weekly high, look for some displacement to then come down lower. That would be amazing. I would love that. In terms of BTC, yesterday we never got the inverse. We never got the inverse last night, guys. This is what we were waiting for. We were waiting for the daily time frame to close above this fair value gap so that we could look for longs. And look at that, we never got it. We never got it. So that means, well, you can see that price decided to come down, right? And we never entered this long yesterday. So as we scale down to the 4 hour, I see that we have this beautiful 4 hour right here. So I would honestly expect BTC to come back, right? Trade into this 4 hour to then continue down lower. That is what I'm currently looking at for Bitcoin. If we decide to inverse this 4 hour, right? We close a 4 hour candle above, a beautiful 4 hour candle above, then that could show us that price actually wants to continue pushing up higher. And in that case, we're gonna look for some buys, right? But for now, we never got the daily inverse. So longs are currently off the table. Closed mind, thank you for the follow, brother. I appreciate it. Okay. But in terms for gold, let's now refine. Let's refine what we see here. Let's refine what we see here. Okay, we're currently reacting off Asian lows. Okay, we have this 15-minute bearish fair value gap right here. Okay, so ideally, right, if price wants to push up higher, this 15-minute gap should get inversed. Right, let me just keep waving for TikTok so it thinks I'm still here. I'm still here, TikTok. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, don't flag me. I think I need to bring back the wave method. Zawale, thank you for the Zweleli, whatever your name is, G, thank you. ZXL, thank you for the follow. On Goldilocks, have we hit equilibrium yet of this range here? Let's pull the Fibonacci from this low all the way up to this high. Have we tapped into any fib levels? Yeah, we have. We've tapped into the 0.5. Okay, so we've tapped into equilibrium. Have we tapped into the golden pocket yet? No, we have not, but we don't need to do that if we already tapped into the 0.5. We inversed this 4 hour bearish gap to the left. Okay, so potentially that shows us that price wants to continue higher. We have this 4 hour up above here at this sell zone. On the 1 hour, we're reacting off Asian. Okay. The only thing that I don't like, guys, is the equal lows down below here at 435. I would have loved for the equal lows to get taken out at 435. So that's why longing here is a little bit risk work. Can you check the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index futures? I don't trade that, brother. I don't trade that. But I mean, I can give it. I can pop a look. Just give me the ticker symbol. What do you mean by equilibrium? So equilibrium is basically the area where it's the 50% Fibonacci level, and it's the area where the big banks and the big institutions are entering their positions. So in a trend, right? Whenever market is trending up, whenever market is having a pullback, okay, the market, in order for us to be looking for continuations from the pullback, the market will always come back at least and retrace 50%, right? Which is called equilibrium. It's a concept that anything below the 50% is called a discounted price zone, right? So if the big banks, the big institutions, these big hedge funds who are moving the market, they are entering positions with millions and millions and millions and millions. So in order for them to want to continue pushing price higher, they're going to want to bring price into a discounted price zone so they can get the best possible entry for their buy positions. So that is what the concept of equilibrium is. It's the same thing like if you want to buy a car, for example, at a dealership, you don't want to buy the car at the most expensive price possible, right? You want to obviously try to negotiate to make it as affordable for yourself, right? That's what the market, what these big banks, institutions are doing. They want to bring price as low as possible so they can get a discount to then buy. And it's the same scenario for sales, right? As price is coming down in a downtrend, right, the market will always pull back at least 0.5% so that it can enter a discounted price level, right? To then, this is a premium. In a downtrend, it's a premium, right? So it's the most expensive price possible. So they want to bring it up to the highest price so they can sell high. Right, that is the whole concept of equilibrium. Do you know TradingView? I'm trying to open chart and I don't see it. MYM. Is that what the ticker symbol is? I will check it out. We'll check it out, G. Manyanje, thank you for the follow. Do you know TradingView? Yes, I do know TradingView. It's what we use to chart. I'm trying open chart and I don't see this. Don't see what? What do you not see? You don't see the chart? What's your prediction for NFP? Let me get my crystal ball out, bro. Let me look into the future real quick. I don't know, brother, what my prediction for NFP is. I don't really care, to be honest. I kind of just trade what's coming afterwards. There's no point in trying to predict. The moment you try to start predicting things in the market is when you start getting cooked. That's what happens. When you start predicting, that's when you get cooked. We don't predict, we react. We react and we adapt. So the market, we don't choose to where the market wants to go, right? We crystal ball. Yeah, it's like, people are like, what are your predictions for this? I'm like, who do you think I am? Who do you think I am? I'm just a human. I'm a floating particle in space. All I can read is candlesticks. I can't make any future predictions. And NFP is on Friday as well. So there is so much to happen until Friday. Right now, we have to focus that we have news coming out on today. We have news. Manufacturing PMI at 5 p.m. So that's like a little bit into market open. That's half an hour into market open. So ideally, we're going to be looking for setups after that. All right. We don't really want to be trading before that, even though sometimes it doesn't really do much. Just as a safety, the principle is that you always want to be trading after red folder news, not before. On a 5k live account, bro, personally, lot size, would you risk per trade? 5k live account. So, I mean, first of all, it would depend how many trades that you've lost in a row. That's one of the criteria that you want to assess. So you want to say, what has been my biggest losing streak? That's obviously all personal depending on the strategy. So for me, my biggest losing streak has been about 6 trades. So I want to add like about a 4 trades buffer on top of that, just in case. So let's say, 10, let's give yourself at least a 10 to 15 trade, basically safety net. So you would do 5,000 divided by 15, right? Which would be 300, around 300. Okay, and then I would just take out a little bit of that, right, just to be even safer. So I would risk, like on a 5k live account, I would risk about 250, around 250 set risk per trade. And so that it's going to take you very, very difficult in order to blow the whole account. Because obviously you can be risking, 1%, 2% of the actual account balance, but then you're not really going to be growing it consistently, right? It's going to be really hard to grow it. You can also take the lower risk approach, of course, and risk like 100, 150, but that's just, honestly, it doesn't make sense, because you don't want to just be risking a little amounts just because you don't want to blow the account. Obviously, you don't want to blow the account, but you want to also risk a good amount. Whereas it's easy to compound and it's easy to grow it consistently. So that's what I would do. On a 5k live account, I'd risk 200 to 250. That's what I would do. I mean, that's what I have about a 6.5k live right now, and I'm risking around 300, 3 to 400, depending on the conditions, right? You want to have two type of risks. You want to have your risk that you're always entering with whenever the conditions are good, right? That's a set risk. And then you want to have your low risk approach. Whenever you see that there is a lot of high impact news, whenever you see market is consolidating, whenever you see that the market isn't really that good, ideally you're not even trading those days, right? But if you choose to trade, you go for your low risk approach, which is going to be half of that. Odgo, I'd say, I mean, I've been in the market since like 2021, so it's been a long journey. I'd say really in the past 2 years and a half is where it really started going good. I'm waiting for a push to 462 again to sell, as I'm in buys right now. 462. Yeah, I guess potentially we might actually push up to 462. I got 2 positions right now. Nice. Don't mind the waving, guys. This is just for TikTok to let them know I'm still here. Antonio, thank you for the follow, bro. What are you trading? Trading gold. We're currently looking at gold. The thing is, guys, you know why I'm not so excited as of right now to be looking for some buys on gold? Is just because there is no higher time frame target, right? Whenever we want to be taking trades, we always want to be taking trades towards something, preferably towards some sort of fair value gap, right? Some sort of, like equal high, equal low, a target basically. And gold, the closest target for longs is at 490, right? So this is a huge pump up. Ideally, I would have loved to see something a bit closer so we can say, okay, we take a long here. At this point, we go break even, we take profit 1, and let's see how far price is going to want to come up, right? But taking a long just because we want to target this 4 hour up above, it's a little bit risky, right? That is why we always want to have some sort of higher time frame magnet target whenever we're taking a trades, because those are the highest probability. So like if we were to try to analyze a target on gold that is in the closest, Eugene, hello bro, good morning. Like if we look at it, let's scale down, let's go to the 4 hour. Do we see any targets on the 4 hour that we haven't hit yet? Not really. We just have this sell zone up here with this 4 hour gap. Do we have anything closer? No. Let's scale down to the 1 hour. Do we have any fair value gaps close to price that hasn't been filled? We have still this one up here at 490. Do we see any close to price? No. Okay, nothing there. Let's scale down to the 30 minutes. Do we see any fair value gaps that we haven't filled to that we can target? No. No fair value gaps whatsoever here. None below either. Okay, well, see what I mean? On the 15 minute, do we see any fair value gaps on the 15 minute that we can use to target for longs? No, there isn't. None of them. The only ones are up here. We have one down below, right? We have one here at this 435 buy zone, which is where that we currently expect price to potentially go at these equal lows. So yeah, maybe price is going to want to come down first into this buy zone, and then we can look for longs. Right? You see how the whole mindset of it all is going to be. You need to identify, do we have any targets, right? Don't be taking trades when there is no targets. You're trading towards nothing, so why are you even taking the trade? Right, Yus, thank you for the follow. Top Boy, thank you. Nises, thank you. Kawar, thank you. Better wait, exactly, King. I completely agree. Clement, hello, brother. Hello. What's up, guys? Thank you for the follows. You guys are the best, man. You guys are the best. Keep tapping up that like. Keep tapping up those likes, man. Come on, guys. We're not just here to learn how to trade. We're also here to get jacked. Tap that bloody screen, man. Come on. Let's only get bigger. It's going to make the channel grow bigger. More people getting education. It's a win-win. Tap that screen. Let's get that finger strength in. Come on. Let's get that finger strength in. Boom. Thank you, Top Boy. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. So yeah, but I mean, guys, look at this, right? Let's disconnect right now from the micro, right? Let's disconnect from this and just look at the price action as a whole, right? This is disgusting, right? This price action is disgusting. Right, we are stuck within a range, prices bouncing from level to level, right? This is very difficult price action to trade. So ideally, until we show some clear movement and some clear trend, you don't want to be going balls to the wall and entering these trades with max risk. This is the times, guys, when it is so easy to blow your account. So please, don't fall for that temptation. Don't fall for the temptation, that little devil on your shoulder telling you, oh, I just need this one trade to make everything that I lost back, right? I just need one trade to make this amount of money. Remove that. This is the perfect time to be building good habits, right? To be following your plan, to be executing only the perfect trades, because the conditions are not in your favor, okay? The conditions are choppy. The conditions are sideways. So this is the time, especially in the summer months, guys. These are the hardest months to trade. June, July, August, the summer months, they are renowned for being very difficult price action. So take a step back. These are not months to make crazy money. These are months to just build discipline and build good habits. Later on, right? August, September, October, November, then we can potentially increase our risk. Right, because the summer months are over and price action should stabilize. But for now, we're still in the summer months, okay? The next month that you want to pay attention to is December, right? December is rough because it's Christmas, so price action is going to be like this too. What funded account should I get? You can get whatever funded account that you want, Nana. Me personally, I'm affiliated with ACG, Alpha Capital Group. If you want a 40% discount on your funded, and also support me just a tiny bit because the commission is very minimal, you can use code SPIKY on ACG, Alpha Capital Group, and you can get a funded with them. Up to you, but you can use any prop firm that you would like. There is so many: Funding Pips, Funded Next, FTMO. Just me personally, I really like Alpha Capital Group, and it's just cool to have a code with them. So code SPIKY if you want to get 40% off Alpha Capital. Boom. All capitals, by the way, all capitals. For now, guys, I guess that one of the first things that we want to be seeing is this 15-minute fair value gap gonna get inversed, right? If this 15-minute fair value gap gets inversed, then it's gonna potentially open up the door for price to come up higher. But as long as we are trading below it, then this is gonna show us, okay, maybe price actually wants to continue selling off down lower, okay? And if we do want to do that, let's now scale down. Right, we have this, first of all, we have this candle, which we can use as TP1, 443. Shan, thank you. Loaded, thank you for the follow. Grits, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Trade with Master, thank you. I'm still here, TikTok. I'm still here. I'm not inactive. I'm still here. There we go. Okay, so if we do want to hold below in this 15-minute gap, let's now scale down to the 5 minutes and let's see what we potentially want to look at. Okay, we have this 5-minute fair value gap right here, right? We have this 5-minute fair value gap right here, which is currently holding price up higher. If we inverse this 5 minutes, this could open up the door for some potential shorts, right? I would not mind if we inverse this 5 minute to look for some potential shorts. TP1 is gonna be this low here, 443, and TP2 is gonna be 435. Right, something like this could actually be pretty nice. The only thing that I don't like is that we are currently chopping sideways, but this trade could definitely be a naughty one. It could be very nice. But we will see, only if we get the inverse. Tap, tap, tap. Thank you guys already. 6k likes. There we go. All I need to tell you guys is to tap, and you guys are tapping. Thank you. Corinna, thank you. Tolani, thank you. Severe, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Nana, Sasha, thank you guys. I love all the support. Thank you so much. But let's set an alert here so we don't have to fix gold. Let's delete all of these inactive alerts so that we can set something on. Come on, alerts. Boom. Let's set an alert here on this 50 million. There we go. Stevie, thank you for the follow, brother. Okay, guys, also let's go back to Bitcoin, right? Let's go back to Bitcoin and let me show you guys how I was able to find this sell zone so that you guys can start learning. Okay, so on Bitcoin, right? Last night we were expecting for this daily fair value gap to get inversed, right? This daily fair value gap right here, we were wanting this to get inversed because this was going to show us that the buyers were going to want to push price higher and continue higher. Okay, but we failed to inverse it last night, which means that we did not get a candlestick closure above the fair value gap, right? We closed just below it. We wicked above it. We did, but we never closed above it. So we never inversed it. That's very important. Some of you guys are thinking, oh, just because we wick above it and we go above it, we're going to invalidate the fair value gap. No. You need to wait always for the candlestick closure. And as you can see, we closed below it. And what did we do? We followed up with some downside. John Wick, hello, brother. Good morning. So now we scale down to the 4-hour time frame and we say, okay, what do we see? What do we see? We see that we have this 4-hour fair value gap. Okay, so potentially, right, price is going to want to come back into this and then continue selling off. But let's refine this zone, right? Because this 4-hour gap is pretty big. Let's refine it to see where our sell zones could potentially be to continue pushing price lower. So the first thing that we do is we pull the Fibonacci, right? After identifying the fair value gap, we pull the Fibonacci and we draw the Fibonacci from this high all the way down to this low so that we can mark our fib levels. Okay, let's now scale down to the 1-hour time frame. What do we see on the 1 hour? Do we see anything interesting? Okay, we see another high on the 1 hour. So let's pull the fib from this high as well, right? Because we want to be stacking up fib levels. So we draw it from this high to this low. Let's draw the fib. Boom. There we go. Beautiful. And then do we see anything else really on BTC? We also have this breaker. Okay, perfect. Look at this. We have a bunch of different confluences here. Look, we have a breaker block, which is just an order block that got completely destroyed, right? Whenever there is an order block right here, we're expecting price to tap into it to continue higher. But whenever we flood straight through it, now this becomes a breaker block. It's the same concept as an inverse fair value gap. Okay, so we can use this as confluences. So we have the 0.5 fib, we have the 0.618, we have the breaker block, we also have a 1-hour fair value gap. Okay, so multiple things lining up at this level. So this is a beautiful sell zone, which potentially price is going to want to come back into to then continue lower. So let's mark that puppy out. 63k looks like a magnet. Exactly, 63k, exactly, brother. 63k looks like a beautiful magnet, right? So that's going to be a beautiful sell zone to potentially look for shorts on BTC. Right here, baby. 63k. Buy to sell. You could buy to sell on this, to be fair. It's not guaranteed that we need to retrace. It's not guaranteed that we need to retrace into this zone, because market could just dump from here and leave this 4-hour value gap for later. But yeah, that would make sense. A buy to sell. We're already so close to the 4-hour gap, so the chances that we're gonna trade into it is pretty high, right? It's pretty high, to be honest. We also inverse this hourly, we inverse this hourly to the left of price. So ideally we tap back into this hourly inverse, right? Which is going to be around 62.7. If we scale down to the lower time frame, do we see anything else juicy? Yeah, we also see this 15-minute gap. So this could be nice. Like sort of we come back into this hourly inverse, into this 15-minute gap, for then a long squeeze up to this 4-hour gap. 1,000,000%. If we sell off, sell. If we hover above the zone, I'll buy. What zone? If we hover above the zone, if we come up, yeah, if we disrespect this 4-hour gap on Bitcoin, guys, if we end up inversing this 4-hour gap, then I would expect higher prices, and this would be a very good point to be entering long. Nice. And then maybe an OTE retrace, and maybe OTE, yeah, exactly, this an OTE retrace. Let's see if we have any lower time frame lows. Oof, I mean, yeah, this 15-minute candle has just been going straight to the upside. So yeah, I mean, let's see if this OTE is a pretty deep retracement, to be honest. This OTE is a pretty deep retrace. Who knows if price wants to give us that, but ideally, yeah, this would be an even better area to buy, right? We have fucking equilibrium, the 0.5. We have the 5-minute order block right here. Also this 5-minute breaker. We also have a 15-minute fair value gap. So ideally, yeah, this area is even better to be looking for longs. But the question is the market going to want to retrace this far down before just continuing up? But let's mark this as a buy zone too. Nice, made 20k trading BTC. Congrats, bro. Congrats. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love when things line up like this. 20k, yeah, bro's a big fish, bro. Bro's a big fish. Who knows though? It might be 20k demo. It might be 20k demo. I don't know if someone who is making 20 bands will be going on TikTok live and telling other people that they made 20k. But if that is real, then fair play, bro. Just I don't think people making that sort of money really care about other people giving them validation for that. It's like if I'm making 20k in one trade, like I'm not gonna be on TikTok live telling other people that I made 20k. It's like I'm just not gonna do that. Like why would you do that? You know, it's so true. So all these guys just saying, oh yeah, I made this much today. It's like, cool, bro. Like, do we care? No. On Goldilocks, we're still waiting for this. 4-hour inverso. Sorry, what am I saying? Not a 4-hour inverse, from this 5-minute inverse. If we inverse this 5-minute gap, which means that we're also gonna do what? Break structure, right? Because this is the most recent low that we created right here, right? This is the most recent low. So if price comes down on the 5-minute, closes below this, right? Inverses this 5-minute gap to the left as well, break structure. This is very nice. We're also trading inside of a bearish 15-minute, right? We've got equal lows below. We've got a scam wick. We've got a scam wick here as well from this BS candle from last night at 443. So potentially, right, shorts could be on the cards. Obviously, if we never get that, right, and we come down and we don't close below and we come up, then, you know, then we're not gonna get shorts. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. On average, how many pips is my stop loss? Bro, it depends, G. It depends. Like if we were to enter this trade here, it depends where the break of structure is, G. It depends where the break of structure is. I don't really focus on the pips because I calculate my lot size depending on MT5 with the little limit thing. So I'd say my pips is gonna be maybe around 500 to, like, sometimes I have like a 1,000 pip stop. Between 5 to 1,000 depending. Bro, don't forget, honestly, go, it helps so many people. Yeah, bro, me and Neo doing God's work, guys. So you see Neo in the chat, he's also got his own community. He's an absolute killer. Go follow his page. Me and him, we partnered up as well. He's also posting trades in my group. And yeah, we're just fucking gonna be living it up in Bali in a couple months. So follow him up. We're gonna see a lot of content of us together. The amount of people that we are helping, it's insane. Going live, providing education. No one out here in the TikTok space is doing that. So a couple weeks, we're gonna be absolutely living it up, man. Yeah, if you have a Vantage, PU Prime or Star Trader account, you don't even have to pay a monthly membership for the Discord. You get it for completely free. So if you have a Vantage, PU Prime or Star Trader account, send me a message and I will get you in the Discord for free. It is one of the most popular brokers, so I imagine at least some of you have a Vantage, PU Prime or Star Trader account. So if you like the way I teach, you like the way I explain things, you want to be part of my community, you want to see when I enter a trade, the analysis behind it, to be part of the community with the group calls, then just send me a message and I'll get you in the Discord, because I get paid by them. So I don't need to charge a monthly subscription for you. It's a pretty nice system so that I still get to keep my piece of the pie while you still get to eat the whole cake. So that's just how it is. Life is an exchange of value. Bro is trading ICT. Don't trade like this. Yeah, don't trade like me, bro. Don't trade like me. Do you find setups every day? No, it depends. There's some days where I find no trades and there's some days which I find trades. Ooh, are we gonna get this 5-minute break of structure and this 5-minute inverse? Are we gonna get this or what? Is this potentially going to happen? Let's have a look. Do we have any fair value gaps up above that we might potentially come up into? No, we don't. 4 hour, okay. Interesting. Let's see what's happening here. Oh. This is why we wait for the candlestick close, legends. This is why we wait for the candle close. Because we just came and did some wick work. We did some wick work, man. Oof. Interesting stuff, gold. Interesting stuff here. How do I enter your group? You just send me a message if you're trading with Vantage, PU Prime, or Star Trader. WTH, he is trading ICT. Obviously, he is not profitable. I feel sorry for you, brother. I feel sorry for you, man. You clearly don't really understand trading because every strategy works, right? It doesn't matter the way that you trade. I don't understand why people hating on other people's ways of trading. We're all in the game to try to make money. We're not all gonna read the market in the same way. So every way works. So there's no point in hating that at all, brother. You clearly don't understand trading because there's people making more money than me and more money than you probably trading support and resistance, trading with fucking trend lines, right? It doesn't matter about the strategy and the label to it. It doesn't matter. You can be trading fucking patterns and you can still make more money than someone trading ICT or order flow. It doesn't absolutely matter at all. Oh, it's obviously the order flow traders. Of course, it's always the order flow traders hating on other people's strategy. Mate, you go look at your fucking heat maps, brother. It's always the order flow guys, man. Oh, you order flow people are just cooked, man. You order flow people are so cooked. Always hating on other people's strat, man. It's insane.
I knew it the first second.
Bro, like these guys, they're insane. Jamal, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. How do you trade FVGs? Well, we either wait for them to get tapped into and we look for trades off them, or we wait for them to get closed below and we look for trades from that. Yeah, I need to do the waves, Marius. Thank you, bro. I need to do the waves. Yeah, TikTok's gonna think that I'm invalid. I combine order flow with ICT. Yeah, you guys do what you want, but it's always the order flow traders, man, that are hating on the people. It's insane. It's just about how much you have in your wallet, that's all. Yeah, Tarak, I mean, trading is very, very much that, right? It's all relative to your trading account. People think, they see people online and they see all these guys making so much money and they're thinking, nah, this guy's a scam. There's no way that this guy's making this much money from trading. But little do they know that they just have the balance to back it up in their trading account. They're not entering some magical trades, right? And all of a sudden, you know, why is he making so much money and I'm not? The trades are the same. The capital is what changes, right? That's the most important part. How much is the minimum amount PU Prime to join the Discord? There is no minimum amount. If you have a PU Prime account, a Vantage account, or a Star Trader account, you can get access to the Discord for free. There is no minimum deposit. You can join. The whole process is for you to get better and to improve yourself as a trader. I'm not telling you you're gonna get rich quick tomorrow, right? If you want to take trading seriously and you want to develop the habits of a profitable and consistent trader, then that's what the Discord does. Easy to build capital with a deposit bonus. Exactly. PU Prime has a 100% depot bonus, and Vantage has 150, and Star Trader 100 as well. So that's just basically free money. All of you guys are always looking for, get rich quick schemes. Oh, how do I make free money this? Let me make quick money. No. There is no such thing as that, but there is such thing as bonus from platforms, right? Bonus money. Stop LARPing order flow. It is always yeah, it's insane. Wait for the 5-minute IFVG, bro. Yeah, I'm looking at this now, guys. If we get this 5-minute IFVG, I potentially would be interested in taking this this little quick little scalpy down here, right? But it is Monday morning, so price action is a little bit slow, but we potentially could be interested into taking this. Bro, sell or buy? I'm currently looking for the opposite. Is it gonna go up or down? I mean, the market can either do that, brother, so who knows? How do I find entry confirmation? My entry confirmation is typically a 5-minute break of structure and a 5-minute inverse. So we just got the 5-minute break of structure, which is when the candle closes below a high or a low. Right, this is a low, it's a down candle followed by an up candle, and we got this 5-minute candle closing below it. So officially we got the 5-minute break of structure. Now the second entry confirmation is a 5-minute inverse. So we are waiting for this 5-minute fair value gap to get closed below. Once we get that, that is what I usually look for to be entering my trades from my zones. All right. Scalping buys currently, yeah, potentially if we don't inverse this, we could well push up higher. Right, we could well push up higher from this, but if we inverse this this gappy, then we might be counting lower. ICT IFVG method. I mean, yes, IFVG. This is what our entry confirmation is. G. Leon Cicello, thank you. Mo, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Just need one more confirmation. Yeah, we do just need one more confirmation. That's honestly the most important one. That's the most important one, and you can see if we would have entered from this 5-minute break, right, we would currently be in drawdown, right? Nathaline, thank you for the follow. Roshan, thank you. Gidon, thank you. Goopy, thank you. Kiwi, thank you. Legends, guys, what's up? Wagwan AB, what's up? How we doing? Oh my goodness, relax, guys, relax with the pings. Relax with the pings, man. Relax. Relax. Yo, G, what's up, Alex? This is why we wait for our 5-minute inverse entry confirmation, guys. It is one of the most important things, right? Hello, Lani. Hello. Guys, chill. The bell is hella annoying. Yeah, guys, stop following. Please, stop. Hey, Spiky, nice to see you. Top tier. What are you trading? Gold. I'm currently trading gold, but I trade gold, Nasdaq, and Bitcoin. Guys, chill with the bells. People are gonna get pissed off, man. Buying? No, I'm currently got my eyes on some potential sells. We've got these equal lows down below here at 435, and also this 15-minute gap. So I'm expecting price to come and trade into this. We also have this scam wick here at 443. Guys, chill out with the follows, man. Relax yourself, people. Stop. Just enjoy the stream. No need to follow, please.
Follow and likes.
Just spam the likes. Don't be following. In? No, I'm not in yet. I'm waiting for this 5-minute inverse. 420 people is madness. Yeah, it's pretty insane, to be fair. It's pretty insane. It's the wave method. What's the bell? That's people following. Stop the sound, bro. I have a headache. 4.3 follows, G. Let's go, guys. We're gonna hit 10k by the end of the year, 100%. You think it'll go to 420? 420. Ooh, 420 is a bit low. It might do. Right now, I'm only focused on price coming down to 443. That's the closest thing, and then 435. This is where I would like gold to go down to. Open the door, G. What door, brother? You think I'll go to 420? Let's answer that. Stop the sound. Yep, there we go. The sound chilled out. Thank you guys for all the follows. I appreciate it. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. But I guess it's a good thing. It means you guys are liking the stream. You guys are following, so that's a W. Boom. Let's see. SMC tutorial. I don't trade purely SMC, brother. Ooh, guys, we might get active here. If we inverse this 5 minute.
I might actually go on my funded now.
Yeah, we might get active here. Keep in mind though, guys, this is the first trade after the weekend. It is a Monday morning. We have news coming out later. So me personally, I am going to be taking this trade with not my full risk, because I still want to be trading this afternoon, because that's when the real volume is going to probably start, right? So if we get this trade, I'm going to put my stop loss up here, and I'm going to be targeting 43. You look like PB Blake? Yeah, he's my cousin, bro. He's my cousin. He told me how to trade. I'm on here on Livestream to promote his to promote his stuff. BTC also getting the retracement. Interesting. Yo, post that on the Discord. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now, G. I'm gonna do that now. Boom. Discord. Boom. Thank you guys for the follow. Thank you, Humble. Thank you, Cabello. Thank you, Adudu. I appreciate it. Let's have a look here. Let's go to the Discord. Let's say hello, everyone. Potential sells coming through soon. All right. Potential sells coming. Ooh, goddamn! This reaction is nuts, man. Ooh, lo. Oh man, why did they have to cook our entry like this, man? Why did they have to cook our entry like this? I am not entering off this 5 minute candle close. We need to have some sort of retrace here. We also have this 1 minute gap, which is low-key sketch work as well. Okay, so let's mark that out. Oh man, why did gold have to cook our entry like this? We were waiting for this inverse for so long. Come on, Goldilocks. Is the RR gonna get cooked if we enter from here? The RR is pretty cooked, man. Let's say our first take profit, you entered. people just spamming.
That's crazy. Yeah, I was thinking of entering with my funded, but I don't know right now.
Yeah, what is this? We're going for a 1-to-1 as TP1, so I guess if we enter here, yeah, okay, we can still get it. Okay, there we go. Boom. Let's see this. Let's also prepare this. Sell gold now. Stop loss is gonna be 458. 458. TP1
are you in this right now?
Is gonna be 443. 443. TP2 is gonna be 435. Okay. Guys, if we get the 5 minute inverse, this is our entry confirmation, so we're gonna be entering this trade, right? But as I said, I'm going low risk, guys. Make sure you're able to not go full port in this. Please don't full port, right? We're looking to trade also this afternoon, right? So this is what we just sent out the trade. I'm in this puppy. Let's have a look here. Stop loss above the high. Let's have a look at what happens here. Make sure you're managing your risk, guys. Please, if you're taking this trade with me, manage your risk. We're still opening up the idea to trade this afternoon as well. So please, manage your risk, people. Alright, I've entered this for 500.
Bro, I don't know. I want to get retracement back up before I enter. I don't know. How much lots should I be taking then?
You're in? Yeah, this looks pretty decent. We've got the 5 minute break. We got the 5 minute break. We got the 5 minute inverse. TP1 break even point is gonna be down here, 443. We're reacting off this 15 minute bearish gap. We've got equal lows below. Yeah, this looks pretty decent to me, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm in.
Please make sure that you're managing your risk. Yes, all entries was posted in the Discord. 1,000,000%. Let's see, guys. We got our entry confirmation, so there isn't much else really to be doing, to be honest. Right, we got our entry confirmation of the thing, and this is it. There's gonna be a point, guys, right? The more that you think about it, the more that you're gonna hesitate, right? So we want to get to a point where once we get our entry, then that's it. All we have to do is just execute. That's really all we have to do. My entry was 452. Yeah, that's pretty good entry, bro. That's a pretty good entry. Look at the volume profile. Boom, 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 boom. 458, 458.18. Stop loss 458.18, 458.18, 458.18. Let's see what we get. Keep the wave method. TikTok, I'm still here. Entered at 464. Yeah, we should sell down here unless we want to do some BS, but we should sell off here. We should sell off unless we want to do some BS. I just full ported your signal. Please don't do that. Please make sure you're managing your risk, guys. We're still going to be trading this afternoon, so just in case this takes the L, we're still going to be trading. All right, so please make sure that you are managing your risk. Is this GU? No, this is gold, brother. I'm looking for a sell. TP1's gonna be... We can have a bit of a closer break-even point, to be fair. But ideally, we do want to see this candle get taken out at 443. And our final TP is gonna be 435. It's gonna tank, hopefully. That would be amazing if we tank. You have double full ported? Yeah, please don't full port the signal, guys. This is just what I'm doing. I just post everything that I do publicly, right? So instead of me being behind the screen, I'm sharing it with you guys so that you can see my thought process and what I'm potentially looking for before entering a trade. This is the entry we just entered right now. We got the 5 minute inverse, we got the 5 minute break of structure. We're reacting off a 15 minute bearish gap. We have the scam wick below, we have equal lows below. We don't really have any fair value gaps up above that price hasn't traded into yet. So yeah, this does make sense. SL 58. Yeah, I've got my SL at 58. Thank you, Chris, brother. I appreciate it. Are you in a short? Yes, I am in as of right now. I got in around here on this 5 minute inverse close. We have our stops above here. I hope market isn't gonna do some BS and come up to 58 first. I just bought. Nice, bro's trading against me. Well, you might print, brother. You might print. This is gold, G. This is gold, brother. Taking a small short with you guys. Please make sure that you are managing your risk, right? This is not going to define our whole trading is not just based off this one trade. right? This is the first trade of the week. It's just to get our little feet warm, right? Let's get our feet warm into the market to see how it's looking, right? If we break 444, $3 XAUSD, yes sir. Let's go. Same targets. Yeah, well, perfect. Guys, ideally, you only want to be taking this trade if the analysis that I do matches up with you. That's the only time that I want you guys taking the trade, is if you were going to take the trade anyways, right? That's what I personally like. Wish I held from 74. Yeah, that would have been pretty nutty, bro. That would have been pretty nutty. But we might just get one more continuation lower now here. Did you enter gold? Yeah, I'm in this. I am in this currently. I am currently just a little bit in drawdown. We're currently in profit now. We're just, currently in drawdown just a tiny bit. Looking for a little push down, man. Looking for a little push down. Yeah, 7. Pretty nuts, brother. Pretty nuts. Let's keep the wave going for TikTok so that he knows that we're still active here. We're still active, TikTok. We're still here. We're still here, brother. Come on, Goldilocks. Don't want to interrupt. Did you trade with live or funded? Both. I took this both, but not on all my fundeds. I took this on my 150k bootcamp account. 4.4k followers. Thank you guys for all the followers. I appreciate it. You guys are the best, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. Come on, Goldilocks. Let's get this sell down. I know you guys, you want to come down and get this scam wick. Come on. Come on, Goldilocks. Come on. Let's get this sell action down. Let's get, what app do you use? What do you mean, what app do I use, brother? I use TradingView for my analysis, and I use MT5 to execute, and I use Vantage and PU Prime as my broker. I have an account open with both of them. Right now I've entered on my Vantage account. Looking, trading into liquidity, always, brother. Ooh, very nice little reacciones. Very nice reaction. We have this 1 minute gap. So this could be a little bit sketchy, but we should trade through this. We should trade. This could be a break-even point, but if we go break-even here, we could risk getting stopped out at break-even, to be honest. But yeah, this 1 minute gap could be a very bit of a risky one here. But we should sell off here. We should sell off even harder. Come on. If you're me personally, I'm gonna keep holding. I'm gonna keep holding through this 1 minute gap. But this 1 minute gap could be, it could be the end full. But it's all good for now. What's TP? First TP is gonna be, we're gonna go break even at London lows right here. This is the break even point. If you guys are up a good amount and you want to take some profit here, feel free to do that, right? Me personally, I'm going to just hold through. This is the break even. TP1 is going to be here. TP1 is going to be here. And then TP2 is going to be here. TP2 is going to be the final TP here. That is currently what I am looking at for gold. Hey, came from Neo. Hello, Macy. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Guys, don't add TP nor SL. Yeah, guys, please don't be entering the position here. Please don't be entering here. The entry was up here. If you didn't get this entry, then it's fine. We're just going to be able to catch another trade in the future. Yo, WhatsApp contact, bro, please. I don't give out my number to strangers, G, unfortunately. If you want to contact me on TikTok. If you have a Vantage, PU Prime, or Star Trader account and you like the way that I analyze the chart, you like the way that I trade, I already get paid directly from them. So you can join my Discord, my community for completely free and get access to the trades in real time, have the mentorship calls, all of that sort of beautiful stuff. What does TP stand for? TP stands for take profit, brother. Take profit. So the area on the chart where we want to take some money out of our positions. I hope for the 420 as TP3. Yeah, TP3 could be 420 to be fair. TP3 could be 420, but that's already a big dump, right? We don't really care about it much more. Dropping lovely. Yeah, very nice. We just have this 1 minute gap right here, which is a little bit cooked, right? We have this 1 minute gap, but it shouldn't really hold price up higher. We should come down to our break-even point, which is going to be London lows. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. If you guys are over risk and over leveraged in this trade, please just put your stop loss at break even right here. If you are going crazy, you decided to full port, you sold your house to get into this trade, we're currently in profit, so please just put your stop loss at break even. Worst comes to worst, you will be looking for a better entry. Bro, if the 1 hour breaks solid under 420, it will still go to 4,000, right? I mean, ideally, guys, you know, on gold, we're sort of just selling to buy. That's what we're currently doing on gold. We are selling to then buy up. I don't think we're gonna just be flooding straight down lower. But if we don't hold these areas, then of course, then potentially we're gonna sell down to the previous weekly low at 4,000, 100%, right? But for now, we don't need to be thinking about that. We only want to be focusing on what's in front of us, right? And these are the areas on the chart that we're expecting gold to go to, right? 446 as a break-even point, 443 and 435 to get those equal lows. How many trades do I take in a day? 2 trades max. 2 trades max. Sometimes 1, sometimes 0. It depends. 4.5k followers, insane. Thank you so much, guys, for this love and support. I feel so blessed. Thank you for each and every single one of you in this live stream. I hope that you're learning something, right? This is also one of the most important parts, is just seeing my mindset throughout the trade. Hopefully this 1 minute gap is not going to be the end of us. Hopefully not. That would be unfortunate. But as I said, guys, if you are fully leveraged into this position, put your stop loss at break even. Please, I'm putting it out there. Put it at break even, because this 1 minute gap could be cooked. Me personally, I'm sticking through it. Let's go, chicken. Let's go, brother. Andrew, thank you for the follow. Bibbo, thank you. Ultima, thank you. Dan, Manu, John, Nita, Lele, Kang. Thank you, guys. Amirul, Alpha Capital Group, use code Spiky. Yeah, guys, if you want to buy a challenge and you want to support me and Neo, the GOATs, you can use code Neo for 40% off, or you can use code Spiky for 40% off. That's insane. That's nearly half of your challenge off. If you guys like, you know, what we do, how we explain the market, you want to support us, then that is a really good way to do it. You buy an account with Alpha Capital Group, you use code Spiky or code Neo, and you get 40% off. Also, they gave us 3 funded accounts to give away, 3 50k funded accounts. So if you guys are joining the Discord, if you have a PU Prime account, a Vantage account, or a Star Trader account, I can get you in the Discord. The giveaway is launching at 100 members. We currently have 93 members in the Discord. We just need 7 more people and the giveaway is gonna start. So if you have a PU Prime, Vantage, or Star Trader account, send me a message on TikTok and I will get you in the Discord after the live stream. Re-entry, I wouldn't be re-entering here, no. I personally wouldn't. I'm in from 53, I already put BE. Perfect. Guys, if you're in from 53, put BE. I will join. Beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. What happened to the music? Price is at POC, so it may sit there. Yeah, this is an area where price could reject from, guys. So that's why go BE. Go break even if you're currently over leveraged in this position, or you're currently up in a good amount of profit. Go break even, which means you put your stop loss to your entry level, right? You put your stop loss to your entry level. I am enter from 460. Beautiful, brother. Beautiful. Great entry, bro. Great entry. You taking this to the NWOG, to the NWOG? I was like, what? What's the NWOG? Taking this to this scam candle here at 43, which always gets filled, and also to the equal lows at 435. I want to see these equal lows get taken at 435. I'm taking to TP1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm in from 475. Let's go, Fadua. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful entry, brother. Beautiful. Brother, I mean, you look like a woman. Beautiful entry, girl. What's your yellow box at roughly current price signifying? These yellow boxes, brother, it's fair value gaps. So this was a 15-minute fair value gap. The reason why we took this trade is because, well, first of all, we had no more targets to the upside, right? We filled every fair value gap that we needed to fill. We were currently struggling to inverse this 15-minute gap up here. We then were waiting for a 5-minute break of structure and a 5-minute inverse. which we got, and then that was our entry. I do already 3 trades profitable today. Good day. Say thank you, man. Thank you to the universe. Bless the universe. If you made money today, you need to be thanking the universe, because it can get taken away from you like this. Always thank the universe or God or whoever you believe in for the money that you receive, because you will be blessed with more. You will be blessed with more. All right, guys, break even is coming up here. Currently up a decent amount. I believe in myself. Beautiful. This is it, guys. You saw this happen from the analysis this morning to the execution, and hopefully now we're gonna be yeah, guys, chill with the bell, guys. No more follows. Just like the stream. Just tap the screen. No more follows, please. I don't need the follows. I'm already getting so many. Thank you so much. Are you selling gold? I am in a sell on gold, brother. Yes, I am. I am in a sell on gold. If you want to join the Discord era and you want to have me as your mentor, you either trading on a Vantage account, PE Prime account, or Star Trader account, I will get you in the Discord for free. I'm new, but learning is kind of intimidating. Paradise, it's okay. Just don't be putting pressure on yourself. 1% better every single day, right? Don't be overwhelming yourself with information. Just as long as you start getting just a little bit every single day. If you have Vantage, perfect. If you have a Vantage, PU Prime, or Star Trader account, you get access to the Discord for completely free. So send me a message and I will get you in. Do you have a channel in Telegram? No, I have. Guys, chill with the rings. Chill with the rings. Guys, we're approaching break even here. I'm gonna put this into the chat. I'm gonna say break even here, guys. Break even. Everyone, go break even here. There we go. All right, beautiful stuff. We just hit our break even point, guys. I am moving my stop loss to break even. So it means that I'm moving my stop loss to my entry level. That is what it means. So officially, this is now a risk-free trade. I'm not risking any more on this. If we get stopped out our entry, then that is it. Because we did just hit London lows, so potentially price could react from here. Hopefully we don't, right? Hopefully we come down and hit TP1. But we are now officially at break even, ladies and gentlemen. Officially at break even. Okay, if we get stopped out, then we're gonna be looking for a better trade this afternoon. Thanks. Moving your SL into profit, exactly. Going break even means you move your stop loss to your entry level and slightly maybe in profit if you want. Okay, so our stop loss is now officially at our entry level. So wherever you enter the trade, move your stop loss towards that. So it's a risk-free trade. Bro is not TJR? No, I'm not, bro. I'm me. Bro. Who said I want to be TJR? TJR is the GOAT, but I'm me, brother. Same trade, bro. Beautiful, man. If you guys caught this move, very nice. We haven't yet hit TP yet. We just went break even. This is a safety point because price could reverse from here. Too late? Yeah, too late to enter for sure, brother. Too late to enter for sure. Come on, gold. Come on, Goldilocks. Give us just that one more push down to that scam candle. Come on, don't come up to our entry level now. Right? This is why it's important though, guys, to have the break even points, right? Because it's easily can turn a winning trade into a losing trade. I went long. Miggy went long. Well, I hope you make money, Miggy. I hope you make money. I was in a bath and saw it and come to open trade. Beautiful. Do you have another enter after this? After this, guys, I am going for lunch and I am going to be chilling until New York session. And New York session, I will be back on live stream to see if we can catch another trade. I'm only entering 2 trades a day maximum. So this is the first trade of the day. If we lose this, I give myself an opportunity to enter 1 more. But then after that, I am done. If I win the second trade, I am done. I am not trading a 3rd time, right? This is how you give back profits to the market. Have your plan. Stick to your plan. Thanks for the TP. You're welcome, Vea. I hope you guys made some money. Let's keep waving for TikTok. Thank you guys for all the follows. You guys are the best, man. We gained 400 followers this live stream so far. That's insane. You guys are insane. I feel so blessed. Thank you so much. Chill with the rings though. Chill with the rings. People are gonna go crazy. Finally caught you on live. Let's go, Sarah. Let's go. Welcome to the stream. We did catch this beautiful little trade as well. 4.6k followers as well. Let's go, Neo. Thank you, brother. Thank you for the updates, G. Thank you for the updates. Thank you for TP. You're welcome, guys. If you guys
you're
made
getting
money,
so many followers right now.
Yeah, it's insane. Yo, my soul, what's up? Liquidity sweep incoming. Yeah, we did sweep London lows, so this could be an area which price could reverse, but hopefully not. 5k today, G. Who knows? Who knows, brother? Who knows? Potentially. Raouf, thank you. Ambassador, thank you. Siraj, thank you. Hey, thank you. Thank you guys for the follows. Stop with the bell. Stop with the bell. The annoying bell. The annoying bell. Guys, that's a good problem to have though. It means people are following the stream. But if it's constant, I'm gonna switch it off. Get out of the trade now. It's definitely a liquidity sweep. I don't think that's how we trade, Jonah. We don't get emotional, brother. We don't get emotional. Our stop loss is at break even, so if we come back up, we don't lose any more money on this trade. Disable the bell. There, I wouldn't say this is famous, but we're doing well. We're doing well for sure. Disable the bell. Disable the bell. How do we disable the bell? Where is the ring? I don't even know how to do that. Maybe I can put the alert sound. I'll put the alert sound a little bit lower. There we go. So we still get the bell. That's what the effing bell. Keep the bell. Keep the bell. You would keep the bell. So there we go. We'll keep the bell. Teach us how to trade. That's what I'm doing, brother. Every single day I'm on live stream. I teach you guys how to trade. I teach you guys how to trade, and if you guys want more, if you guys want to join literally the private group where we go on group calls 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, Friday. I help you guys with your trades. If you need any help, you know, specifically one-on-one, we have the educational part in there. I'm going to be launching a free course in the next coming months as well, and it's going to be available in there. It's completely free if you have a Vantage account, a PU Prime account, or a Star Trader account. Okay, so that is how you join the Discord for absolutely free. If you want to open an account with them, it takes 5 minutes. The reason why it's free is because I am partnered up with them, so I get paid a commission through the spread, so I don't have to charge you guys for a monthly membership. So please, if you like the way that I teach, you want to learn from me, you want to be part of the community, also get access to Neo's trades as well, right? Either join his community through his link in bio, or myself. You will just send me a message on TikTok and I will get you in the group. Are you shorting? Mr. P. Yes, I was in a short, big dog. I was in a short from 52. Bro, if the 1 hour breaks solid under 420, it will still go to 4,000 like? Yeah, potentially, bro, but that's too much into the future. That's too much into the future. So, guys, there is no other people on TikTok right now doing things like myself and Neo. So you guys are in the right place. We've only been streaming for 2 months. We are just getting started, right? So if you guys want to follow us, you like the way that we teach, message Neo through his link in bio, or message me on TikTok, and we will get you in our communities, and we will turn you into trader that you want to become. You've seen how it is. We were on live stream. We go from the analysis to the execution, to the patience, to the psychology, to the mindset. Every single part that you need is shown live in front of everyone. User buy. I'm in a sell, brother. You can do whatever you want, big dog. Money to be made, lives to be changed. That's what we're doing, guys. We're changing lives, literally. The amount of positive messages that we get on a daily basis from people learning, from people improving, who've been in the group for a couple of weeks and already feel like they're improving their trading. That is the goal. That is the goal. Boom, boom, boom. Neo trades him? Yes, yes sir, yes sir. Neo trades, he's in the chat right now, guys. Me and him, we are partners. We're gonna be living in Bali together next month. We're gonna have a house in Bali for 6 months, so a lot of content is gonna come out for us. So if you guys wanna support us, follow him up as well. Just tap on his profile, Neo Trades, tap on it, follow him, and show him some love through his link in bio. Join his community, or even join mine through the messages. You are doing the most, bros. Yes, sir. We are doing the most on a daily basis. Morning, afternoon, nighttime streams. We are on it, legends. We are on it. Yo, Marius, how you doing, brother? Vantage, PU Prime or Star Trader. Yeah, if you have a Vantage, PU Prime account or Star Trader account and you want to be part of the community, send me a message or send Neo a message, and we will be put in the community. Okay, cool. Where did you put your SL? I put my SL was at 58, brother. My SL was at 58, but my SL now is at break even. So my SL is at 52 right now. Hopefully we get this one more push down to TP1 at 443. That's gonna be amazing. It would be a shame if we get stopped out at break even, because this was a nice push down, but hopefully gold is gonna bless us. You don't have to promo me, G? Bro, of course I don't have to, but I want to, bro. I don't have to, but I want to, because you're the hardest worker as well. It's same as myself. So now we're finding the exposure that we deserve. So I'm gonna obviously promote your stuff too, brother. Because you know, if you're eating, I'm eating too. Where is the entry? The entry was 52. The entry was 52 up here, but our stop loss is currently at break even. I would not be entering here. Will you move to Israel for a better edge? Yeah, bro, I'm packing my suitcases for tomorrow, man. I'm packing already my suitcases. Love you, G. What's up, Spiky? Henrik, how you doing, brother? How we doing? Guys, 441 followers this stream. You guys are insane. I love you guys. Thank you so much. 25k likes as well. You ladies and gentlemen are insane. Thank you. Our community just teared up. Let's go. Only TP2? I mean, TP2 is already at a 1 to 3. It was at a 1 to 3, so that's enough. Of course, we can keep selling off lower, but I'm not really planning on holding this all the way down, right? We'll just look for a better entry again in the afternoon. What do you trade? I trade Nasdaq, gold, and Bitcoin. That's what I trade. Go down, Goldie. Come on, Goldilocks. Go down. Come on. Go down. Next entry spikes. This is the only entry as of right now. I'm gonna go for lunch very soon, legends, and then we will come back on for New York session. Sorry guys if I missed your comments. There's just so many comments happening right now. So apologies if I missed out on your comment. So yes sir, pretty nice little morning. Come on Goldilocks. It would be so nice if we just continued down one more time. Come on Goldilocks. What time will you be back? I'll be back for New York session, so that's gonna be 2:30 UK time, 2:30 p.m. UK time. Please answer inbox. I will reply to every single one of your messages after the live stream, legends. Thank you so much for shooting me a message. Guys, we are 7 members away in the Discord to unlocking the 350k funded account giveaway. So potentially the 7 people that are gonna get put in after the live stream, well, you're gonna get access to the giveaway. Stopped break. Yeah, guys, this is unfortunate. We might get stopped out at break even here. No, so we lose? No. What do you mean you lose? No, your stop loss should be at break even, brother. So you shouldn't lose any money. Bro, it was awesome with 450. Yeah, it was awesome, bro. We hit like 570 at some point. It was insane. Today was crazy. Oh, I'm out at break even as well. I am out at break even, legends. I am out at break even. Out at break even. I am out at break even. That's why we have a break even point, legends. We are out at break even here. Unfortunate. Yes, I'll be back on live. Look for an entry this afternoon. Keep the bell ringing, guys. Keep the bell ringing. Guys, this is insane. How come we got such a big reaction from London lows? That's cooked. But But it is that's why we go break even, legend. That's why we go break even. Good job. Thank you, G. I mean, it didn't really run as much as I would have loved to, but we still got a decent entry, and you know, some of you guys made some bread on this. I messaged you on Wednesday. Please message back. Sakib, I didn't get your message, brother. I didn't get your message. I replied to all my messages this weekend. If you send me a message and I didn't get back to you, it means that it didn't go through. So try again. What's NQ saying? Let's have a look. NQ, it looks like potentially we want to sell down to this. We have a buy zone at 28200, but I really want to look for shorts on NQ up here. But it looks like potentially if we inverse this 4 hour, then potentially price is going to want to push lower. Right? That's currently what we're waiting for. It looks like this 4 hour is going to hold. Boom, 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 boom. It does look like NQ potentially wants to sell off lower, but we are trading within these bullish PD rates. So at any point, price could just want to pump up. So I'm just gonna have to see. Hi, bro. My age is 14. I have $10. I am from Pakistan. Tell me easy trading platform. Easy trading platform. There is no easy trading platform. Just use TradingView for analysis. I personally use Vantage as my broker, but you can use whichever one you want. But Vantage is the one that I trust. They also give you a deposit bonus. So since you're from Pakistan with $10, I don't think you can even join, to be honest, bro. I would honestly just get a job and wait until you got $50. It won't let me message again. I can only send one message through. It didn't receive it. Sakib, send me a comment on one of my latest videos. Comment on my TikTok in one of my latest videos, and I will message you personally. We started the same age. I'm 18 now. I'm telling you, trading is the best. Yeah, trading is the best job ever, man. Trading is the best job ever. All right, lots of love, people. I'm gonna go out for lunch. I'm super hungry. Shame for gold that we got stopped out at break even. It would have been nice if we got a little bit more of a pump down, but what can we do? What can we do? We just managed our risk, and that's it, really. Just gold didn't want to give us that final TP. But on Bitcoin, guys, we might potentially get something, right? We could be interested in this. We're coming down to OTE, what me and Neo were talking about at the start of the stream, right? OTE in this area here. Potentially, we could be looking for some buys targeting this 4 hour value gap at 63,000. All right, this could be a potential good play. Let me set an alert here so that will be alerted once we tap into this. Good effort. Thank you, Jamil. I appreciate it. I hope you guys were able to see my whole thought process behind the trade, why we took the trade, how we remain calm while we're in the trade, right? To know that to manage our risk, put our stop loss at break even, right? These are all the sort of golden nuggets that you guys can get, right? From being in the live stream and from watching me trade live. Gold, are you kidding me right now? Are we kidding me right now? Did we just get stopped out at break even and price is just gonna dump? Is this seriously what's gonna happen right now? This would be so unfortunate if this happens. It'd be so unfortunate. I'm just not gonna re-enter this though, to be honest. I don't think I'm just gonna re-enter this. It's never a good idea when I just re-enter the trades. In 50, how much in a day? I don't know that converted to Pakistani dollars, brother. You ignored the 15-minute bearish FVG? What do you mean I ignored it, bro? I took a trade off it, brother. Oh, as in, I mean, we went break even, bro. So yeah, I guess we could have put our stop loss above the 15-minute FVG, to be fair. We could have done that, but then it's getting choppy. Yeah, it's getting very choppy. It's getting very choppy. I use BOS, liquidity sweep for FVG. What else should I learn? That's all you need, brother. That's all you need. Just make sure that every single time that you take a trade, you're targeting a fair value gap or something, right? But make sure you always have a target for each trade. I re-entered. Michael re-entered. So you lost more money than invested when doing this? What do you mean, swap? We didn't lose any bread, brother. What do you mean we lost more? My long got stopped out, and now it's up. Like, come on. Yeah, it's getting choppy. It's getting choppy. It's getting choppy. All right, with that being said, guys, we're gonna be on in a couple hours, okay? Peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. Thank you guys for all the messages. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the follows. I love you guys, and I'll see you in a couple hours. If you want to join the community, if you have a Vantage account, a PU Prime account, or a Star Trader account, send me a message and you get the Discord for completely free. Okay, peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. See you in a couple hours. Bye bye, legends. Bye bye, legends. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.